Hi guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. Now with the holiday season upon us, we aim to look at what this has meant for footfalls as well as occupancy levels across malls. So to get a check on the on-ground demand as well as consumption trends, we're joined by Sameep Pathak, Chief Executive Officer of Malls and Head of Retail at Oberoi Realty, as well as Mukesh Kumar, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer at Quest Mall, Kolkata. Remember, we're just speaking to two players here, but we're trying to understand what trends in the entire mall space really looks like. Mr. Pathak, if I can come to you first. First of all, gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us and taking out the time today. Mr. Pathak, if I can come to you first. The last time we spoke, I think your occupancies were already very high at around 96, 95 kind of levels. Can you tell us, has there been any increase even from there? And do you think that there's scope for this to go up further because of the kind of demand that we're seeing?
So we are almost touching the pre-COVID level as far as footfalls are concerned.
Okay.
And the consumption against each of the footfall has grown by almost 34%. So I think we all are very jubilant of these facts and numbers coming in. And we are quite, upbeat about the year which is ahead of us.
Okay, Mr. Mukesh Kumar, who's the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer at Quest Mall, Kolkata, is also with us. Mr. Kumar, what are your thoughts? Has it come back to pre-COVID levels in terms of footfalls? Has it been better? And what do you see as the big trends in the early part of the new year?
Very good morning to you. Yeah, in fact, if you look at the footfall, it's really improved compared to last year. Technically, if you look at this year, after 2 years, this year, we are seeing a complete, there's no concern, there's no fear. People are taking holiday, people are going out. So what has happened, travels has really increased. People are taking holidays. So the fashion buying really increased. The travel gear buying really increased. It's also adding to the footfall as well in the mall. And technically, if you look at again, the footfall generally picks up only from the second week of December when people have holidays. So I think the trend is very, very good. Overall, there's an increase of, if you look at malls, not just in Kolkata, if you look at the entire country, I have the numbers here with me. If you look at the south, they have increased, their footfall increased by almost 20% and the sales increased by almost 30% compared to last year. In the month of December, in the west is following the number 2, they have increased 15% in terms of footfall and 25% in terms of sales. North is not that as good as what generally they do, and same in the eastern part of the country also. But we have increased by 10%, eastern increased by 10% in terms of footfall and 12% in terms of sales. So overall, I think it's a good growth. And mind you, this is not just it's not a price growth, it's a volume growth. There is a more demand today. The people are buying more. Price setting already happened last year. It's all about the volume growth. So I think overall it's a very good situation. Wedding season is almost kind of over for this year. Next year is going to pick up from the month of Jan onwards. So we also see a better demand in the month of Jan as well. Jan, February, the next quarter.
So Mr. Kumar, what you are telling us that in South as well as West, the sales have been higher than the footfalls compared to pre-COVID levels, which basically means every customer who's walking in is spending far more than what they did 3 years ago,
Absolutely right?
Okay.
Absolutely right. The bucket size really got up almost 15%.
Got it.
If somebody is spending 100 rupees, they're spending 115 rupees.
Got it.
So that's a good sign for the industry as well.
Mr. Pathak, you told us that footfalls at your mall are up 34% versus pre-COVID level. What would the comparable revenue growth be, and where is it that you are seeing maximum spend? What are the hot selling items now? Is it more electronics? Is it, toys? Tell us what the growth areas are, and how are discounts this December?
So I'll start with the categories which are performing well, and I think almost all categories are showing the trend upwards. The top 5 categories is athleisure, luxury, which is watches, and apparels. They are the one who are seeing the upward trend. Apart from that, in terms of the consumption, we are seeing, compared to pre-COVID level of 2019, we are seeing a consumption increase of overall 10%. As far as trading density, which is the realization per square foot of sales is concerned, that is touching almost 18%. So I think overall there has been a good growth and across all categories.
Okay.
Cinema is something I want to mention is now picking up with some very fantastic releases which we have seen in current week, and then the one which are upcoming during Christmas, and followed by Republic Day, which is next year, third week.
All right, got that. Mr. Kumar, you were just mentioning how footfalls are higher, but more than that, consumption has also seen a big pickup across your malls. This should then mean that you're able to get higher rentals as well, right, from retailers. Can you tell us if there has been a pickup there? And also, how often does the renewal of contract happen? I'm talking about the rent agreements.
Renters, they don't increase every 2 months to 3 months. Having a long-term contract. Most of the contracts are long-term contracts. The correction already happened last 2 years' time. After COVID, I think from last year, prices started going up. The rentals, I think, reached that level. The new leases are happening at a much higher rate, I think almost 20% higher than the current rate. In terms of it, I think if you look at total growth
Kumar, we can't hear you very well, so we're just going to try and fix that audio in a bit. It's nothing from your end. We're just trying to sort of resolve that audio. But Mr. Pathak, since everything is opened up now, I wanted to check with you on what the future expansion plans are on the mall front. Since there's just one mall currently under the Oberoi umbrella, are there any plans, especially in pockets like Bombay, maybe even in the north, to open new malls? If yes, not this year, maybe over the next 2 to 3 years, what would the plan be of expansion?
So 23 is where we are going to add one more asset, which is 1 million square feet, which will be towards the northern part of Mumbai. Apart from that, we are going to add another 2 million in next 5 years, again in Mumbai, which will be Thane, 1.5 million square feet, and Worli, which will be close to about 6 lakh square feet. So that's what the expansion currently, which is absolutely clear, and we are working towards that.
Mr. Pathak, Mr. Kumar, thank you very much for joining in. We're out of time, but have a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year as well from everyone from CNBC TV18. We'll get into a short break. On the other side, we'll discuss market fundamentals. Pankaj Murarka of Renaissance Investment Managers joins in next.